I'ma do, son. Hey, nigga finna hit 2K on this bitch. Ain't no in this bitch working on my brother no right now, you heard me? Shout out 10, you heard me? I got real nigga right here, like, real nigga right here. And my son BJ, let me get BJ in this bitch, man. Nigga know he doing my shit right, you heard me? We some young nigga doing this shit. Here you go, bro. You can take over the camera and shit. But yeah, though, we in this bitch right now, you heard me? I'm finna make a little song. We finna make a song in this bitch. We really finna go play in this bitch. Fact, and I got them diamonds on me right now. I'm a young nigga. Hey, this shit, we just doing this shit, man. This shit, for real. Tell niggas stop all that fucking hang. Go get some money. We some young nigga doing this shit, man.
For real.
Yeah.
Real talk, rolling.
Hey, thanks, free my twin, she get real, you heard me? Yeah. Come on, roll. Wait, brr, I catch his ass, he gon' get. This ain't no game. I take it brain. Facts, man. Free the bang, you heard me. Free twin, you heard me. Nigga know what's going on. I'm doing this shit for my people, though, man. Free my people. Free all my people. Free everybody. Fuck it. You heard me. Hey, bro. Got a son, this ain't no game, bitch. Wait. Got a bad bitch on my side, she keep on telling me I'm gon' blow. Catch his ass, you doing bad, gotta show him how it go. Niggas faking like it's smoking too, he pull up to they door. Got my brother on my side, he got a fully in his coat. Nigga better not move on, he might have to up scope. Wait, we do that bit, stop that bit, BJ. I ain't fucking with that bitch, son, go back.
You already said it.
On games, go back. I'm tripping on this bitch, man. You know, everybody made mistakes, shit.
You want me to keep this part?
Yeah, keep that bit, keep that bit. Catch his ass, I take his brain. Show this nigga this ain't no game. Got my bitch up on the trail, wait. Got my bad bitch on the trail, I know his ass gon' bite the bait. So I play this shit safe. Let a nigga play with me, my youngin' took his fucking face. Still spinning broad day. Nigga thought that was a bait. Hold on, wait. Feel that Drake, bitch. Yeah, wait. Yeah, nigga, hey, wait. Free my twin, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Hey, I say free my twin on this bitch, man. Brrr, wait. Twin said fucking shit, I feel the same. Catch how I do your thing. You try to run, he felt that pain. Nigga thought this was a game. Got my brother on my side, he got a fully in his coat, bitch. Fuck you talking about? He got a fully in his coat. Fully in his coat, got a fully in his coat. Hey, your ass up on front road. Fuck you talking about? I'm facts, boy. Yeah, fuck. Pick him up. Hey, you can put that lid on that bitch, man. Yeah. Keep that bitch recording. Hey, look, though, I'm finna go put my jacket and shit on right now, though. You heard me? You can put the lid on that bitch, though. You heard me in the booth right now.
You done with that business?
I'm finna put the lid on that bitch. Follow me with that bit, bro.
So
look though, look, I'm finna go throw me a head on this here. Nigga, you know what nigga live, bitch, I'm gonna get my weight up though, shit. I'm doing that right now as we speak. This bitch nice shit, nigga know we getting something right. Everybody in this bitch working. Everybody in this bitch working, you heard me?
Shit.
Nigga, everything dumb, nigga know how you know we getting money. My son, bro, yeah, it's like that.
Yeah.
Anything, hey, thanks. Hey, you gotta be healthy around this bitch, man. Don't expect to blow and you ain't healthy around this bitch. Let me give me another bottle of water, dude. Nigga thirsty as a bitch, man. And this bitch working, kid. You know how this shit go, man. Fake. Say 10. Come on, 10. Hey, oh yeah, today Thanksgiving, man. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, man.
Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, man.
Facts, man.
Bro, you know what it is.
Hey. Got my bad bitch on this truck. This ain't no game. This ain't no game. Got a bad bitch on my head. Got a bad bitch on my side. She keep on telling me I'm gonna blow. Cause his ass you doing bad. This ain't no game. his brain. On my mama, he getting that bit right for me. Look, dude. Brother getting that bit right, shit. You know what's going on. Free my twin. Nigga know what's going on. We working in this bitch, man. Fuck everybody who hang on young nigga. Man, that's how that shit gonna go. We still gonna do this shit. And I got them diamonds on my neck. Long little mirror, man. Long. Any nigga forever be way. Long little B. Man. Nigga doing this shit, yeah. Young nigga. What is going on?
Cut that one started.
I know that bitch gon' send.
That one was like 6 minutes.
Bet.
Send that bitch to you.
Oh, mom, like, I'm gonna get that bitch edited and everything. It's really, yeah, nigga, no. Don't mind, I'm geeking right now. Shit, I'm full of drugs in this bitch. You heard me? Working, real life working, shit. Remember this day. Everybody ain't on young nigga, man. But nigga doing this, though. Y'all doing all that, rah-rah, talking like you, yeah. But y'all ain't doing none of, y'all ain't showing me none of this, though, kid.
Young niggas in charge.
What brother say? Hey, say 10. Hey, come on, I'm going to 10. Say 10. What you saying, your shit, man? The old nigga need to let that shit go and let the young nigga wet.
Young niggas in charge.
What's going on, my mama? 2025. Youngest taking over.
25, kid.
Young niggas in charge.
Young niggas taking over, man.
Every nigga know what's going on. We get into that, hey, niggas faking like that, there ain't no game in it. Take his brain, what I say on that bitch? I say, twin said fork and shit, I feel the same. Twin said fork and shit, I feel the same. This ain't no game. Take his brain, hey, I'm fake, man. I ain't gonna do too much talk, cause niggas gonna think I just talk too much, but I ain't no talking ass nigga, girl. I just, you know, on that time, girl, it ain't no game. Ain't no game.
We sipping on, what they sipping on?
What they sipping on, bro? They sipping on dead niggas. They sipping on dead niggas.
Shit gone, but
Hey,
Dead
that's how
niggas.
it goes.
Ain't no game. Hey, we got some high shit on high shit on high shit. I need to tell that bitch 10 to shoot some 10 be faking, son.
tell it's on the way. It's on the way.
10 be faking, son. We in this bitch. There ain't no game. Hey, I was with my twin, my mom. My twin was out right now. He would have been in this bitch with me right now. We would have been on it. My son would have been right there with the wood in his mouth. Fakes.
Nigga out here.
On my mom, free twin. Ain't too long. I'm a young nigga doing this shit. We some young niggas doing this shit. Hey, everybody. I wanna get a video of my other song on that bitch though. Cause that bitch that's so dumb. I know that bitch gonna do number.
When you get through,
Cause this bitch right here, I'm just freestyling this shit like I ain't really got nothing. On some head shit on this shit.
it's good when it's like shit.
Take it there, take it brain. Gotta show me that ain't no game. Hey. Hey, let me see that. Damn, my bro got, yeah, real, like, let me show him this right here. Like, what, yo, you know, yeah, like, come on, man. Nigga got Kyle to do with it, come on, man. Who even know PS3D taste still, man. Hey, fuck you talking about, real and shit. This ain't no game, nigga. I take his brain. Facts. Show that boy this ain't no game. Catch your ass, you gonna get flamed. Got my brother on my side, he got a fully in his code.
I ain't in my ass, I'm fucking with it.
Fake, man. Yeah, so we cooling right now, though, shit. Everybody cooler right now, so shit. This bitch would've been dumb. You put that bit up for me? Nigga, though, we back as hell. This bitch right there, we back, shit. But this bitch really, we cooling right now, shit. Brother just doing the thing. Right. Shit, brother cooling, shit. Working, shit. Ain't that bitch working? Get into these right now. That's what I'm trying to get. Niggas wanna hate. These niggas ain't trying to make no money though shit. But you know me, fucking nigga and who you with, ain't never had no pigs. What I said, brother? Since I was young, I ain't never had no pigs, man. Them facts. Ain't no cap up in that world. Got my bitch up on the truck. fully thing. Boy, y'all look at we ain't trying to go platinum in this bitch, so we can go viral in this bitch, man.
They don't want that.
Nah, they don't want that. My mama, they don't. Bitch, what the fuck? This bitch is gonna think she finna set me up. Bitch, you can get your dog ass up on. I said, wait, got a bad bitch on the trail. This bitch chick on pretty bitch, pretty face, pretty tits. This bitch is my gangster bitch, so she play it safe, yeah. I get the drop on my rock out that same day. Fat, nigga know. Yeah. I'm coolin' when that's some slight shit. Nigga probably think I slight shit. You heard me? Slight shit. All this slight shit.
No
But boy
stepping.
say, fat slight shit like,
nigga.
you would think I went to the mall whole time. I'm first out the closet. You heard me?
Hey.
Them facts.
Hey.
Out the closet, you heard me? I look at the mall was closed today. I would've went in that bitch. Got fresh on you bitch ass niggas. To show you niggas who really doing this shit, man. Tell me, nigga really doing this shit. My son got that shit on. That's some
What?
slight shit though. He got that shit on.
Come on now.
Slice shit.
Some slight shit.
Slice shit.
Slight shit, kid. Feel like Drake, bitch. Fuck you talking about. Bitch, the fuck you thought you doing? Stupid ass. Dumb ass little dude, man. Yeah. Gotta show him it ain't no game. Kill his ass, he might get brain. Still clutching fully thing. Wait. Got a bad bitch on the trail. Got a pretty shield fake. Bad nigga play with me. My younger off my same day. Hey, man, free twin. Free the bang, free Corey too, man. Free Corey for sure, man. Hey, free Corey, man. Back, man. Free Corey, long little mirror. Federal be with you, heard me. Got this, hey, say it, boy. I got you in my diamond, boy. You got a flashlight on that bitch. I want them to see them diamonds on there. Shit, you ain't got no flashlight on that bitch.
Yeah, nah.
But shit,
For sure, though.
them bitches brrrr.
Bitch, you gonna shine for sure.
Hey,
Yeah.
got brother on them
That's what it
diamonds,
is.
man. On little brother, like real, yeah. Real nigga, I know it gon' brrrr something. Hey, nigga know. I ain't gonna say too much on videos though, but nigga know. Everything entertainment purpose on it though. Like everything entertainment purpose on it. Like, all these bitch ass niggas be doing all that bitch ass.
My nigga fuck with you like you keep it real, boy.
You gotta keep it real. You ain't gonna make it. Nigga ain't gonna make it if you don't keep it real with a nigga, man. And nigga gotta know they wrong and right. Nigga. That's what I'm saying. They be out here slamming they piling and shit. We don't do all that bitch ass girl shit, son. We get some red. We ain't slamming shit. We want that we go get that, boy. How we were told. Young nigga. The nigga still, yeah, get everything, boy. Fuck on with you, boy. Yeah. She keep on telling me I'm gonna blow you. You going bad, God, show them how it go. Niggas faking like it's until they ass be on some road. You got a fully in it cold.
Yeah.
Had the up stove. Until they ass be on some road. I catch his ass, I gonna get blamed. Yeah, I catch his ass, he gonna get blamed. Ain't no game. Damn, I got a whole bottle. I'm high smoking this bitch. Let me chill a little bit. Hey, say, bro, just start that bit over. Start that bit from the beginning. I'm finna do that bit right. I know I can do better on that bitch, man.
Restart the whole song?
Man, restart that whole song, bro.
Do it. Restart the whole one?
Yeah, tell her about that. Yeah, BJ.
Yeah.
Hey, my bad, y'all. I'm gig him high. Fuck. Took him bad, gig him bad, nigga know. But nigga, you know, get into this shit. Call hard work. It's just the beginning, it's a process thing, you know. Got brother on my side, he got a fully in it cold. Fuck you talking about, man. Free my tongue, he stand on business.
Yeah, they hear it.
Free my tongue, he stand on.
Yeah.
Brr. Fuck you talking about. All I say on that bit. Yeah, nigga. Twin said fuck this shit, I feel the same. Fuck you talking about. Twin said fuck this shit, I feel the same. Catch your eye, you do your thing. You try to run, you felt that flame. Nigga thought this was a game. Had a wait, fuck, we do that bit. Pussy thought this was a game. 2 years when he tried to run, he felt that flame.
Yeah.
Brr, back on that. Nigga know what's going on, man. Yeah. Brr. Twin said, fuck this shit, I feel the same, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Shit, I feel the same. Twin said, fuck this shit, I feel the same. Get my twin. Get my twin, brr. Twin said, fuck your shit, I feel the same. Catch your eye, you do your thing. You try to run, you felt that fame. So that boy, this ain't no game. Got my bitch to set them up. Wait, fuck, do that bitch back. Got a bad bitch on that truck. Got a bad bitch on that truck. I'm geeking in this bitch, man.
No, freestyle type shit.
I'm trying to get used to cameraman, you know. Somebody in the booth with me. First time, everything first time shit. Got a bad bitch on my side, she keep on telling me I'm gonna blow. Catch his ass, you doing bad, guys, show him how it go. Twin said, fuck your shit, I feel the same. Catch your eye, you do your thing. You try to run, he felt that fame. Gotta show his ain't no game. Got my brother on my side, he got a damn fuck. I'm fucking that bit up. I'm steady fucking that bit up, son.
You catching that bit up.
I'm just gonna go off the dome and that bitch start trying to think about other shit. I feel fucking shit, I feel the same. Try to run, he felt that flame. Gotta show his ain't no game. But yeah, nigga, I'm back on that. Fuck you talking about. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Gotta show nigga how you do this shit. Twin said, fuck your shit, I feel the same. Catch your eye, you do your thing. You try to run, you felt that fame. Gotta show them these ain't no game. We some niggas doing this shit. Niggas mad by the bitch. Boy, he real tender dick. Ha ha ha. Gotta play this shit safe. Got my bad bitch to get up on the chair. I know his ass gonna bite the bait. So I play this shit safe. Let a nigga play with me. My younger tickets fucking fake. Still spinning broad day. Wait, nigga think this shit a game. I catch his ass, he might get fame. So that boy, he a real bitch. Come here, feel his bitch. You a bitch. Nigga slap me in your shit. Then I fucked up on your bitch. Boy, facts. Wait, gotta play this shit safe. Got my bitch to get the bait. So I pay the real role. Gotta send him down. Fuck, stop that bitch, BJ. Stop that bitch, BJ. Go back a little bit. I fuck that bitch. What you think about that bitch?
Oh,
you fuck with that bitch?
Mama.
I fuck with that bitch. You fuck with that bitch. Shit, fuck it. It is what it is. Fact, man. Y'all heard this shit first, though. YouTube. Y'all just wait. I'm gonna show y'all some shit in a minute. On game. My phone there. I would've showed y'all what time it is, but like when this bitch working though. Facts. Look where we at right now. They already seen the little toy in this bitch, but like, look where we at right now. You heard me?
In the booth.
In the booth right now.
Working.
Facts. Give us like. I ain't gonna say too much. Niggas be out your hand, man. So just you gonna see there. You know what's going on. Twin said, fuck your shit, I feel the same. Smacking shit, nigga. Hey, free 19 too, man. Free Lil Bang, free Lil Cord. He tried to run, he felt that flame, nigga. Fuck with that bitch, son. That bitch hard to me, son. I come hard like my phone dead. I got some fire shit. I got some to that song, but my phone dead. Hey, put my phone on charge.
That's what I was just telling them.
Yeah, like shit, find you another beat, make some moves.
Man, like, let my phone get like on 2%. If I can see, like, cause I want to do this before I leave this bitch, son. I want, that bitch dumb, son. Like, how I be at the house and shit, like, how I be at the house and shit on game, I be running that bitch, boy. Like, I don't know what the fuck going on right now, son. Nigga just geeking right now. Nigga full of dead niggas. Fuck that boy, man. Let my phone get up. We finna go talk to brother now. Hey, say, bro, why my phone get on? Couple dudes play that other song for me real quick. Look, the one I just made and shit. Living for the hate, that how you go fucking like Takeover in the daytime to the night. Come get your long right. Told my twin, you got low, I got right. Catch his ass, I take it light. That little baby was looking good up in them tights. I know you see me with my eyes. I'm trying to take her home one night, got them tights. Ain't take her home good night. Hold on, wait, side twin, bitch. Let me get back right. Nigga looked out on my face, I get a dog, I get away. I catch his ass, he jumped the gate, he can't take it. Niggas out to clicking up, but you know I don't give a fuck. Why that bitch sound like this?
Cause I ain't turn that the blend up.
Go dope.
I'm trying to take her on, and I got them tights. What you talking about? Yeah, man, I'm fake, man. Everything I say.
Slipping for the hype.
Okay. Cause like you can change my flow on that bitch, man. Like go to the like what the bit. You know how like damn I put it down, son. That shit different on the damn PC and shit. The flow and shit. Like turn the beat.
Turn the beat down.
Turn the beat down like a little bit like
yeah.
Put me like you gotta like the beat too high. They bit ain't too high, but they bit high like.
Yeah.
Turn me down on that bitch too.
I want more. Come with that boy. I fuck with him. This is the second one I ain't letting. I'm fucking with that bitch too, like you say, man. I'm fucking with that bitch too.